Yes, there's a message that I want to deliver right now about a certain airline. This airline needs people's prayers. For there's something that is about to happen. I was taken in the realm of the spirit, and I saw a plane. This is a plane, an airplane that is white, but there are writings on this plane that are red in color. Or you can call it maroon or red, I don't know. All I know is that I saw a plane that is white, a passenger plane, but it's written with the reddish words, and there are some lines on this plane. Mark my words. 16th of August, 2019, as I'm speaking this, I saw this plane leaving the airport to its destination, but something went wrong in the air. And the Lord asked me as I was seeing this vision that I should pray and join hands with people who are well-wishers in praying for this airline. I saw this plane going down. I saw smoke. Terrible things. My name is Prime-Major of Hojam Church International. The Holy Spirit, Jesus Christ, God the Father and I, we all approve of this message. A sign that God is still speaking through his genuine prophets today. Shalom.